your season of occupation. Start me sending your application.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back. So today I wanted to do a little get ready with me fall edition. Calvin is so cute, y'all. He found this girl on Instagram and he sent me this picture of a makeup look that he really liked. So I thought I would just try to like recreate it, or at least, you know, use it as inspiration. Her Instagram name is makeup_by_K_19. So this is the makeup look that he found and I absolutely love it. So I wanted to do something inspired by this look, or maybe try to recreate it. I honestly don't know if I have the right yellow for this, so that's why I'm not sure if I can recreate it. But I just got out of the shower, so I need to do my makeup, I need to do my hair, I need to take this freaking t-shirt off. So grab your makeup, grab your snacks, and let's get ready together. Okay, so I just looked through all of my palettes and I really need more like oranges, which is weird because I feel like that's all I buy. But I'm looking at the color that is like her first transition, and I think unfortunately I'm gonna have to use this Morphe James Charles palette. I think I'm gonna use a mixture of these two shades right here. I feel like that mixture of colors was perfect. I mean, pretty close to perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye and I will be right back. Okay, so this is gonna be a trust the process kind of look, so just stick with me. I'm gonna go into the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm gonna dip into Real Guard. I'm gonna dip into that with my Morphe M506. And I'm just gonna deepen the crease with that. It looks like she has like 3 crease colors. Okay, so next shade I'm going in with is the same palette and I'm going in with Red Ochre. I'm gonna use this tiny Morphe M508. This is gonna be my last crease shade. This, I want it to be really dark because we're gonna do a cut crease, right? So we want it to be super dark so there's like a contrast. But you want it to be high enough to where when you cut your crease, you're not gonna like cover it all up. I think that looks really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye and then we're gonna come back and cut the crease, which I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I've done a cut crease in like a couple years, which is kind of crazy because I swear that's like all I used to do. Okay, so I'm gonna take a makeup remover wipe and just try to get as much as I can off of my lid. That way my cut crease is way cleaner. Okay, so to cut the crease, I'm just gonna grab some concealer. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh. I'm gonna use my Morphe 421. This is like a tiny rounded flat brush. I always cut it a little above the crease so that you can actually see it. Okay, I look weird because I don't want to mess it up. It's still wet. I'm gonna go into my Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette and I'm gonna take a mixture of this shade Campy and the yellowish orange shade in the Morphe palette, and I'm going to do that on like the inner 2/3 of the lid. Okay, so I'm going to use this same brush and I'm going to go into that orange shade that I used in the crease. I'm just going to do that on this outer third. Okay, lastly I'm going to go into Cypress Umber and I'm just going to put that on the outer corner, like just a little bit. Okay, lastly for the lid, I'm going to go back into Life's a Drag. I'm going to take this black shade, it's called Shady. And I'm just going to run that close to the lash line because it looks like she has like a smoky liner. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Okay, so that is gonna be it for the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera and I'm gonna come back and do the lower lash line. All right, I'm back. I've got my face on and we're gonna go ahead and do lashes. So these are the Lily lashes in Miami. These are honestly like the prettiest lashes I have. and I feel like they'll really complement this look. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe M506. So I'm gonna take a mixture of Real Gar and Cypress Umber in the ABH palette, and I'm just gonna run that on the lower lash line. I like how the lower lash line looks. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some black eyeliner in the waterline. Okay, last but not least, she has a pop of gold in the inner corner. It's like a gold sparkle, and I definitely don't have anything like that. But I do have a couple single shadows. I honestly feel like this shade right here will probably do the trick. This is in the Illuminati Quad palette. I don't know, I got this in my Ipsy. Let's see, I'm gonna spray my brush. Wow, look at that. I never expect shades in like a quad to like be great, and honestly that's just on me being judgmental. That is like gorgeous, you guys. I've never used this. It just like sits in a drawer because like I don't know, how often do you guys use like single shadows? I feel like I just try to pull out palettes and just kind of like go that route. Okay, so that is the eyes done. I'm gonna do my lips, put my hair back because yeah, I just don't even feel like dealing with it right now. And I'm gonna change my shirt and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm honestly in love with this makeup look. Calvin, you did such a good job picking this out. I'm obsessed. So again, all creative credit goes to Kayla. I will put her Instagram down below. Go check her out. She is super duper talented. But yeah, I guess maybe I should get Calvin up here to see what he thinks.
Halloween-y.
Is it Halloween? My chair keeps shrinking.
Yeah, that looks really good.
You need
it's
to
nice
see.
to see some orange on your face.
You like orange?
I
This
mean,
is
it
the
doesn't look
picture
bad.
that you sent me.
Close your eyes. Yeah, that looks freaking, that's like damn near spot on.
Really?
Yeah. You did good, boo. That looks great.
It was fun. Well, he likes it, so approval. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for hanging out with me and getting ready with me. I love you guys so much. Please make sure to leave me a comment down below, like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and please share it with your friends if, you know, they're interested in the beauty stuff. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Your season of art.